Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set notification dismiss time on Windows 11. So if you often get notification like this and you need time to shorten, or even you need longer time to hold your notification on the right side of your screen, so you can set the time for it. So first thing to do, you need to click start icon and go to the settings. Here you can try to search the accessibility here, and you can access visual effects. And here we go. Under animation effects, there is dismiss notifications after this amount of time. By default, it turns on about 5 seconds. This is the minimum, the fastest. And here, the longer is 5 minutes. So please choose wisely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and soccer text button below. See you in the next video.